Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable research invites on your LinkedIn account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So research invite on LinkedIn refers to message sent by LinkedIn or by other user invitation to participate in market research, survey, or academic studies. But if you want to disable it, you can open your LinkedIn account. Now you can go to settings by tapping on the up left corner here. Choose on settings. You can choose on data privacy. And you can just scroll down on who can reach you. There is an option research invites. You can select on that. By default, this feature is active. So you can allow LinkedIn or third-party partners to send you invitation for participating in product feedback, surveys, market research, and other studies. But if you don't want, you can just disable it by tap on the toggle in here. So now you have disabled this feature from your LinkedIn account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable research invitation on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.